Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can make a portfolio website by using Wix platform. It will be a step-by-step guideline for you, so I hope you will find out this video will help a lot for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. Wix is exactly or actually a platform which is provide the free version where you can easily create your website for you. So here you can see their pricing plan. Then you will find out that they provide business elite from 159 monthly. You can go with the light version where you will get great features like free domain for 1 year, 2 GB storage space, multi-cloud hosting, light marketing suite, and many more. Similarly, if you purchase the 29, then you will get further options. Then similarly, if you purchase this one, you will get more features. But I will definitely suggest you, when you are new in Wix platform, then I will suggest you to go with the free plan. They give us the 40-day money back guarantee also. So free plan will be a perfect choice for you. In this plan include like custom domain, reliable web hosting, and AI creation tool. Then they provide 24/7 customer care. So let's go and click on start for free. Once I click over here, now it will redirect us to here where we can easily create our website by providing our Gmail and password. Okay, and then you can go with these options like we have this. So I am going with this continue with Google option. Just click over here. It is the simplest way, that's why I choose this one. Then click this one, and now eventually we'll see that they are taking us this platform. Let's add a phone recovery phone number, not now. And then let's see, this is our Wix dashboard. As you can see, this is, so here you can see they are telling us this one. So I'm going to skip this features. So just click on manage.wix and let's search it here, and let's see. As you can see, eventually this is our dashboard, and here we have couple of site already we made it, and this one we already published it. So I'm going to explore all the things first of all before we dive into the main goal. So here I'm going to click on Wix and I will enter onto the dashboard. So let's go and let's go enter onto the dashboard. So here we will get the options for the dashboard. Just click on select and edit site. Once I click over here, then it will take time. Then it will redirect us to the dashboard panel, and this is our dashboard panel. Here we have various options like home, getting paid, sales. Like it is all in one platform where you can get your domain hosting, then your business analytics, automation, customer leads, and many things for SEO. And also we have CMS method for our business. So if you are looking for, or if you are budget friendly some developer, then Wix will be a great choice for you. So without any further ado, let's create a portfolio website on Wix. How we can do it? We just need to click over here, and then I will click on edit site, or I can go with this one that create a new site. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to this page, and they are tell us about the site you are creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So you can tell AI to create your website by clicking on start chat, or you can go with this setup without chat. It is a manual option, so it's totally up to you what kind of a feature do you want to use on your website creation journey. So I'm going to go with the manual one, that's why I am going to select this one. Once I click over here, now here they are asking for what type of website do you want to create. So I already mentioned that I want to create a portfolio website. So here I'm going to select this portfolio option, then click on continue. Once I click over here, then it will prepare our dashboard. Then it will take a while to set up everything. Once it's done, then here you can see this is our website and they are telling us what will be our website name. It will be anything. Like you are a content creator, then you can set that I am a YouTuber or YouTuber, then just click on continue, or you can skip it. It's totally up to you. There is no barrier for you. Then you just need to be select portfolio, so then you will get like add on portfolio device. Just click on continue, then click on continue to dashboard. It is really simple and quick. I hope you understand how easy the process to set up your dashboard and logging with Wix and create an account. I hope you understand this. And now let's click on design site. This is the main thing on this journey. Just click on design site. In fact, when you click over here, they will give you the options to choose a template, or they have another option called generate a design with AI. Then you can continue with setup for now. So I'm going to pick a template because Wix already provided us some pre-built template on portfolio. So here I'm going to search all template. I'm going to search portfolio and let's hit enter the button, and here you can see I am Robert Carroll. These are all the portfolio. Which one you think will be familiar or relevant for your business, for your service, you can choose it. Like here you can see, if you are a graphic designer, then this portfolio will be perfect. If you are only a designer, then this one maybe. Then here you can see the heading over that place. So I am going to discover here this one will be perfect because I am working on a creative genre that is content creating. So I'm going to work with this one. Just click on view. I will watch the view first, then check out is it responsible or not. Here it is really responsible. And let's click on edit this site. Just click over here. I love this template. It's very good. That's why I choose this one. Once it's done, then here they will give us the option to edit whole process or element over that place. Here you can see this is the progress bar. It is loading. Like they prepare our design. Here you can see enhance your AI content. Like using this AI, you can content or generate site text. So it's really simple. It helps you to make your website more good. Like you can add element over here. Let's explore these options one by one. So here you can see this is the element option. If you want to add any element like sections to stripe button, whatever you want to add, you can add it here by drag and drop. Just here this way. Here you can see I just drag and drop and it has been added over here. So the process is really simple. You just need to be, let's delete it and let's do to add some sections over here. So after this second one, next to the element, you will have this section option. You just need to be drag and drop here. Like the process is really simple. If you don't know anything about coding, then actually also you are able to work on this. Then this is the site design option where you can change the primary color from that place. If you want to change this image, just click over here and this way you can change your image from that place. Just click on image and you can upload media from that place and click on upload from computer and choose an image for you. I'm going to choose this one and it will take a while to uploading, as you can see. Then click on choose image and it will be uploaded here. So the process is really simple. Once you feel that you are done, then just click on publish. Once you click on publish, it will take a while and now you can see a pop-up come over here that is congratulations, your site is published and live online. So if you want to watch this site, just click on view site and in this way your work has been done and it is available on online, so people or audiences can easily watch your website through this link. So I hope this video was literally really helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.